Hello, my name is Jay Williams. I'm a financial strategist with McKinley Carter Wealth Services. I'm here today to walk you through the McKinley Carter client portal. So let's get started. This is your login screen. So you'll have your email address and you'll be prompted to create a password once you get the link from your advisor to create a portal login. Once you log in, your home screen will look like this. And so here you have one fictitious client, Mr. Harry Potter, and his accounts with us. And so you have these 6 main tiles when you first log in: market value, portfolio inflows, contribution rate, income, investment gain, and performance. Each of these 5 tiles can be drilled down to other specific time periods: year to date, trailing 12 months, trailing 36 months. And so you've got lots of different options here for views to provide you with the data that you might be looking for. Down below, you've got several other different options where you can view asset allocation across different asset classes like large cap stocks, mid cap stocks, and account values for each of your accounts, regardless of how many that you have or how many different custodians you might work with: Fidelity, TD, Charles Schwab. You can also see all of your individual holdings across all accounts or for individual accounts. Again, account performance, money in and out since inception, and any activity. This is a great chart here where you can see starting value, ending value, things you may already be accustomed to seeing in your regular portfolio reviews with your advisor. The purpose of this portal in particular is a great space for you and your advisor to communicate different metrics, specifically if you have any documents to share. And that's going to be a primary function of this portal. So I'll go there right now. Up in this navy blue navigation bar, if you click documents and go to vault, this is the space where if your advisor requests any sort of documentation that might be helpful for your planning process, whether it's account statements or estate planning documents, marriage certificates, anything that might have sensitive personal information on it, we would like for you to share here in the document vault. In order to share a document, you go up here to the Actions tab and click Post Document. Here you'll have the option to select a file from your computer or drag and drop from your desktop into this box. Very easy, very simple. And then once you upload a document here, your advisor immediately is going to get a notification that a new document has been posted on your behalf. This also works as great as a filing cabinet. If you have sensitive documents that might be helpful for your advisor to have access to, or you want a place to file them, you can keep them here and organize them using different labels or folders to easily find later. This is also going to be the spot where if your advisor wants to share any documents with you, where you can easily go in and find those updated documents here in the vault. If you go back to accounts, you can always drill down into each of your different accounts by going here or back to the home page and selecting the drop down Find Data For and picking an individual account here, whether it's an IRA, a Roth IRA, or a taxable account. Also, if you manage multiple accounts for multiple people that maybe you have power of attorney or trustee powers over, this would be a way for us to share multiple households with you as well. So very intuitive, very helpful, and hopefully you've enjoyed and found this introductory tutorial valuable today. If you have questions, please follow up with your individual advisor, and we can't wait to help you.